What's up guys, Barefoot Gang here, and so we're on our way to Otter Springs and we're gonna go get some shots underwater and we'll see you there.
Here, it's just like a house on the train.
Alright guys, we're just pulling up. Oh snap, there's a wedding here today.
What? What? Let's go kick some! Diamond! What up, boy? What, Baba? What, Baba? What?
There's a wedding here.
That is a dang wedding. Oh my god.
Alright, we'll get back to you guys when we're getting in the water.
No fence.
So we're out here at Otter Springs. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Quiet little place. Not anything too exciting, but over here, the spring is in a crevice right out there. See those fish? This is the spring. And out over there is the river.
Fine over here. It's not deep. You're good. What's up, bro?
Alright.
You can swim, but swim back.
Let's get some water shots. Alright guys, here we go. Got stuff on. Probably should have waited to put my flippers on, but here we go. Alright, this water is so cold, but here we go. Hopefully we can get some good shots while we're in here. Oh, what's up, Lil B? Alright. Oh, that water's cold. How's it look down there? How's it look down there?
Awesome.
Sweet.
Dude, so good.
Then I go get some shots.
Woo! These fins are awesome.
Yeah, I'm recording right now.
Barefoot Gang in the house at Otter Springs. Woo woo.
Alright, here we go.
I'm gonna go with you. Hold on. We're gonna do this shit together.
Yeah. You ready?
Oh yeah, let's do this.
Let's go. I got a pretty good shot of down in there.
Did you?
I'm having problems pressurizing with this ear. I swam farther.
You got my snorkel though.
What the?
I don't know why, but I can't get this ear to pop. Like, this one's doing just fine, but this ear I can't.
Huh.
Alright, I'm gonna go back down there. Alright. So, we switched handles from the head thing to the handle. And so, Mom's gonna go down there. And let's see what she can get. Her clips are gonna be better than mine, of course, but here y'all go.
Snake is over there, it won't bite you.
Hey, what's going on?
Apparently that's nothing out. You got her powered up?
Yep, she's recording.
Let's do this. Dad!
I swam all the way down in there and all the way over here without moving.
Hey, I could do it, but my ear just hurts. fish that lays flat on the floor and turns the same color as the same. Right underneath, right on the bed. Barefoot Gang. Hey, I'm gonna go look around. Alright, come on, boys.
What?
We got a video to shoot.
Where?
Yep.
We're walking around.
So, we're gonna go get camera shots, or video, sorry, of the surrounding area. Coda, what are you doing?
There's a lot of algae. Scoop.
Coda, it's not ours. Put it down. Put it down. Alright guys, that will conclude today's video. I want to say thank you guys for tuning in, if you did.
Smash the subscribe button if you like this video.
Like
Give
the
us a
video,
thumbs up.
subscribe. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Barefoot Gang.
Barefoot Gang.